Moving on to our retail project, medium size, and I'd like to invite up Paul Cowan from EDM. Please come up and join us, Paul, for this award. We put Paul way in the back, so it'll take him a good couple minutes to get up here.
But in the meantime, I will read the nominees, and on the short list we have Gemini Park Tychy, Gemini Holding Poland, Nowa Stacja Shopping Mall, ECC Real Estate Poland, Rive Gauche, Phase 1, Citrus Ukraine.
Hey, you made it. I hope you need a break or...
Absolutely.
Yeah. So welcome, and thank you for helping us hand out this award. And as one of the running the leading digital marketing services company for real estate, tell us who's the winner.
Thank you, Craig. So the winner of Retail Park of the Year 2018-19 is Gemini Park, Tychy.
Gemini, welcome. Congratulations.
She's into superstitions, black cats and voodoo dolls. I feel a premonition.
Congratulations. Welcome. Congratulations. Please feel free to say a few words to our audience.
Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you for jury, and thank you for team Gemini Holding. Thank you. Visit us. Come on, please.
Well, come over a little closer over here.